Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with JP Morgan Wealth Management, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official JP Morgan Wealth Management website. On the homepage, locate the Sign Up or Get Started button. Click on the button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a new page where you need to enter your personal information. Fill in your first name, last name, email address, and phone number. Next, create a strong password that meets the specified security requirements. Re-enter the password to confirm it. Once your information is complete, review the terms and conditions. Make sure to read through the privacy policy as well. Tick the box to acknowledge your understanding of the terms. Click the Continue button to proceed to the next step. You will receive a verification email shortly after. Check your email inbox for the verification message from JP Morgan. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the JP Morgan registration portal. Now, complete any additional information requested on the form. This may include your address, date of birth, and financial details. Make sure all entered information is accurate and up to date. After filling in the required fields, review your entries for any mistakes. Once confirmed, click on the Submit button to finalize your registration. You may need to set up two-factor authentication for added security. Follow the prompts to complete this extra layer of protection. After setting up authentication, you should receive a confirmation of your account creation. Log into your new account using your email address and password. Once logged in, take some time to explore the dashboard and available tools. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.